Hi guys, Mr. Cheng here. So I got a package from China that just came in. I'm expecting quite a few packages today, but I might have an idea what this one is. Let's open it. Let's see what it is. Pretty heavy. I have an idea of what it is. I'm guessing it's one of my what's that word? Thing for my foundry kind of thing. The cup lookalike that you use to heat up your metal. Pretty dusty. It's gotta be it. It's from DHL. I hope it's not cracked. Because if it is, I'll be very, very disappointed. Ooh, so dusty and okay, they put bubble cushion on it. Yeah, they put those bubble cushions on it, so it's kind of okay. Let's see if I can do it like this. It's kind of okay. Oh, so bad. It's all broken. It's all broken into pieces. Bad shipping. Hmm? It's all broken, see?
Why? Why is it all broken?
See, it's all broken.
Where's that supposed to be?
It's broken.
It's all broken.
Gotcha.
Just a thing for my my foundry kind of thing where I want to melt the aluminum can.
So is it supposed to be broken like that?
No, it's not.
So we don't
Not supposed to be broken, but it's broken, so I'm gonna file a complaint. Yeah, put it on. Okay, so that's the reason why I opened it up here. Like that. So it looks that's all freaking broken. So no good. Fragile item. Sucks. Let me move it out of the way. There you go.